Alright guys, so it's Mr. Flexi here, and I'm gonna be teaching you the tutorial on how to program your own lights. So when you're new to your DMX lighting system, I'm gonna be teaching you the basics on how to create your own rainbow light effect. But before that, so when you have here is your lights. So in this video, I have 7 lights. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 of them, and this one is to be our light. So I would not be using this, as this would be the light that I'm gonna be using, so that we could focus on our control.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby, it's just twist your body and mine. My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind.
After setting the address, the next thing that we should gonna be doing is we're gonna be patching them, of course. But you could do this while they are turned off. So the next thing you're gonna do is we're gonna be patching. So I'm gonna be patching, so input output. That's the only thing we could do. So my input cables with, so there we go. So the first end would be going there. So what would happen is the input output. This would be input. Going to the output over here. I'm just gonna do that repeatedly. Make sure you have this XLR cable, so you could also connect them, at least, perhaps. Okay. And to do this, there you go. last one will be here. So this is our signal cable. You should go here on our controller. Normally go to our controller. There you go.